Zoom is actually a pretty good video recording tool. Now, why would you want to record video on Zoom? Well, if you're in a meeting with clients or colleagues, typically somebody in that meeting in an in-person situation would be taking notes, the meeting minutes, so to speak. If you are recording your video conference on Zoom, though, nobody has to take any notes. You will have a record of the meeting to go back to and watch afterwards if necessary. So it's convenient that way. You may also just want to use it as a tool to record your own personal videos to post someplace afterwards, like I'm doing here. Let's have a look at how it's done. So down at the bottom of the screen, just a couple of buttons over from center, is the record button. And when I click on that, I've got a couple of options. I can either record to the cloud, which is a paid service through Zoom, although if you do a lot of meeting recording or video recording using Zoom, you may choose to purchase that additional cloud storage space. You can also record on this computer, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to click on record on this computer, and right away I've got a notification up in the corner of my screen that indicates I am in fact recording this meeting. Once I'm finished, I can go back and stop the recording in the same spot, and I get a notification in the other corner of the screen saying meeting recording has stopped. The recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. Now, MP4 is pretty much the standard file format for video these days, and the nice thing is you will also get an M4A file, which is an audio-only file if you need that. And it's not as common as, say, an MP3 file. Most of us are familiar with those. But if you need a different file format, then there are plenty of online free tools available to do those conversions for you. And that's how it's done. As soon as you are finished, you click on the end button when you're done the meeting, end the meeting for all, and right away it's going to convert the meeting recording and pop up in a file folder. And there I have all of my video and audio files. One last thing to keep in mind is that if you are not the host of the meeting, you will have to get permission from the host in order to be able to record, or just have the host record on your behalf and send out the file to everyone afterwards. That's how you record your meeting on Zoom.